Okay, on this video, I'm going to show how to replace the power switch. First of all, this is a model 420. Unplug the power cord, and then after that, you can just start by removing the set screws. There's two set screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. You're gonna pull these out. There's a green wire here, and there's two more wires, a neutral and a hot, coming from the inside, and they are located right here on this corner. So I'm gonna put my finger right here in the back like this, just to put some support, and I'm gonna push and lift up the connector. Same with the other one, the white one, which is the neutral. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come from a different angle. I'm gonna push in and then lift, and that's. So you already got the neutral, the hot out, and the last one is gonna be my ground. Same thing, push in and lift, and that's how your switch should be. All right, so now we're gonna install the new power switch. This is how the wires are connected. The Y or the neutral runs from here to here. The black one runs from here to here. This is pretty much like that. This is your power switch. This is the top pins on your power switch. These are the bottom ones. And the bottom ones, you're just gonna follow the colors. So the neutral, with the neutral on the same side, which I'm gonna push here all the way in until you hear the click. Once you hear the click, that means it's already in. Same with black. Black wire goes right in the corner, all the way in. Make sure everything is inside. And the ground goes all the way to the right side. Make sure to put it in and hear the click. Once you hear the click, you can just push everything inside. And last, let's put the set screws inside. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, there we go. And one more thing, make sure, let's make sure your fuse is in here. This is where your fuse here goes, right here. Make sure the fuse is inside, and all you gotta do is just follow this line over here, push it in all the way in, and that's it.